Gotta be careful. He'll grab at anything he can get his hands on.
He's so cute, Turk. I have always wanted a baby brother or sister.
Ha. Well, I've got plenty at home if you ever want to borrow one.
I guess it gets pretty noisy there, huh?
Yeah, that's why my mom asked me to take him out for a while. A little piece for both of them.
Found it. Hey, Turk, I found my flamethrower for the baby to play with.
Thanks. What all does it do exactly?
It's set for ages 0 to 4, so it just shoots medium-sized fireballs at a distance of roughly 30 feet. Seriously, kids love it.
Got it. Bram, I'm gonna need you to get that as far away from my baby brother as possible. I'm guessing that's not gonna be safe for infants.
Or adults.
You think? Okay, then, no biggie.
So what do you think he's gonna be like when he gets older? Do you think he'll be into sports, or will he be a good singer like your mom?
Why not both? He could be anything at this point.
That's true. But to be fair, so could all of you.
Yeah, but it's different for us, isn't it, Abuelo? We've already got, hobbies and personalities and stuff. But Turk's brother is completely brand new.
That's true, and it's always fun to watch babies grow up and learn. But you know, Kat, just because the rest of us have already gotten our start doesn't mean we can't change. That's what being born again is about.
Is that what being born again means? Because I always thought it had something to do with babies, or maybe time travel?
Yep, being born again is both simpler and way more complex than we realize. God allows us to be born again by having faith in Jesus. Not physically born like a baby, but reborn in our minds and hearts. We can become completely new.
Does it mean you lose everything you had before?
Of course not. The way you talk, the way you reason, the things that make you laugh, all of that stays the same. But being born again means being given the chance to see the world with new eyes. It takes some work on our part, but it's so worth it when we realize it's what makes us closer to God.
Does that mean that babies are closer to God than we are, since they've just been born?
Oh, good question. I'm not sure about that, but it's hard to think that God wouldn't want to hold little ones like this guy as close as possible.
And in the meantime, my mom deploys me to make sure he stays alive long enough to have the chance to be born again someday.
Let me go find something else for him to play with. Ooh, I just finished recalibrating my mini catapult.
No!